Hey guys, in last video, we have chatted with LLMs without internet. What are we going to do in this video? I'm going to show how to generate images, videos, or even audios without internet. So, let's go. So, how to generate images and videos without internet? Here comes an application called ComfyUI. Let's install it. You can use the link in the description, or you can just type ComfyUI in Chrome. So click the first link, just download it for Windows. By the way, if you're working in Windows, you should have a graphic card. I have a NVIDIA graphic card, so because this application consumes a lot of GPU and CPU to generate images and videos in our local systems. So I'm going to download it for Windows. Download it. Let's install it. So we'll click finish. Now let's get started. Now then it will ask us to choose the hardware setup. Because I have the NVIDIA GPU, so I'm just it will automatically detect our hardware. Or you can also use CPU mode, where if you does not have any dedicated graphic card. So I'm going with NVIDIA CUDA, and next, done. Now let's just close this. Let's explore the app first. So I think I have to maximize this. How to download a image model or video model. First, we can see there are a lot of links or buttons we have over here. The first one is assets, next one is nodes, and next one is model library, and then workflows, and then templates. We'll click on templates because ComfyUI provides like a ton of pre-built models. So let's choose image here. First, we'll try to generate an image without internet. So I'm using JED image turbo text to image. So it will ask us to download the model packages. And then I will download all the packages here. So it is downloading. Let's explore the model first. I will close this. Don't worry, it will keep running over here when we click the model library. So first we'll save it with our required name, ImageGen. So it's gonna save to Comfy. Then wait until the model's been downloaded. So wait for some time. So we look into like where we have to give the text and where we'll get the output. So here we can see when we click Control and drag the scroll bar up and down, we can enlarge it. So here we can see the prompt. There is one prompt preset here. I'll just leave it as it is. So if you want to give, you can give it another prompt and try to generate a new image. So it's gonna take a lot of time. That's it, done. Now I'll try to save it and then close this model library and increase a little bit. Now let's turn off the internet. So now you can see my internet is turned off. Well, yes, I don't have any internet connection right now. So now I'm gonna go with the prompt that has been already there. So I'll just click run over here and it will get started. If you want to see what is really happening, you can go through this toggle bottom button, and it is trying to get the model. Yes, now it is generating the image from our text prompt. So here we can see it is getting generated. Yes, we can see. Now let's try to generate a video without internet. Go to templates, select video in this left bar, and you can see there are a lot of text to image models and image to video models and image to video and text to video. So I'm gonna filter those models with text to video. We can see we have a lot of different types of videos. So I'm gonna WAN 2.2 5 billion model, and I'll again download the required models, required packages. Click download. So these packages will be installed in our systems. So let's see what to see and where to put the text prompt. Or so these are the nodes where the model has. Now we'll try to zoom it in. Here where we give the exact prompt to generate a video. So it says low contrast in retro 1970 style subway station, a street musician plays in dim colors, rough textures, he wears an old jacket playing guitar with focus, commuters hurry by, and blah blah blah. Now let's wait for some time. Got it downloaded. So now let's try to generate a video. We have to disconnect to internet first. No internet. Now same, I'll leave the prompt as it is. Now let's click run. The models are getting loaded. It will take minimum of 20 minutes to generate a video because it is offline model. We will see the RAM usage now. So you can see I have NVIDIA GeForce 5070. You can see it is using 198% of RAM, and it is using around 74% of my CPU.
One eternity later.
So here we go. We got the video generated without internet. So let me play this. It's not that much accurate, but if you give the correct prompting, then it will generate a better results for video generation. What you have generated using this ComfyUI, let me know in the comment section. Till then, see you in the next video. Subscribe. TechRex.